Namaskar, happy times. Do you know people who were good in studies and still not really successful in life? Do you know people who have done their engineering, law, post graduation, MBA and still not successful in corporate jobs or in a profession or in business? I'm sure you do. And I'm also sure that you don't want to be like them. Do I hear you say yes? I'm sure you do. Okay, so how can you become successful, happy, and wealthy? Studies have shown that technical knowledge contributes maximum 15% to success, whereas soft skills contributes to 85% of success. The differentiator between super success and ordinary results is a powerful personality, your soft skills. How you sit, how you stand, make eye contact, listen, speak, present yourself, question, explain, your voice tone, your assertiveness, your caring nature, leadership, etc. To transform yourself into a super personality, I invite you to Super Me, a training workshop on public speaking and personality development. You can develop and strengthen your soft skills, competence, and ensure you start your journey to be successful, happy, and wealthy. Come, join us for a fun filled, energetic, thought provoking, interactive learning workshop to transform you to be a more confident, happier, successful, and prosperous you. This is Ajit Vidyadharan, your happiness coach and belief hacker. To know more about Super Me, public speaking and personality development program, please contact Vishwa Vidya Foundation. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, be happy. Thank you.